Hello friends, today I am going to reveal which software I use in my Android phone to create videos. And this software does not provide you a logo because it is a free software. There is no watermark, there is no logo, so you can use it free of cost. It is better than KineMaster and it is absolutely free of cost. There is no cost. You don't need to go for a premium version. You can use the free version and you can edit any type of videos comfortably, and editing tools are also very easy. If you have no experience of editing videos, then you can use this software. So first you need to open your Play Store in Android phone. You type in VITA. This is a software. I have already installed it, so it is showing open. So I will also share the link of this software or mobile application in the description of this video. Just download it. Okay, let me open this. If this is my already created video, let me delete it and I will show you fresh new project. Click on plus in front of new project. Choose any of the video. So video is loaded now. You can see edit button, style button, effect button. You can add music from here. You can for example, here I want to do some editing, like I want to cut this portion, so I can click on edit. I can click on split, then I want to cut it till here and click on split again. Select this portion, this middle portion, and do all type of. I can select this middle portion and click on delete, so easily deleted. I can add text anywhere, like you can see this text button. You can type in any types of font. You can select this font or any other font. You can choose select the color. You can enter tab. You place it anywhere here like this. You can see the text is showing now. Best editor. So you can do all types of changes in this software. I use it. Animation you can use. These are the animations. You can use it here. Frame out. All those things are available in this software. And the best part about this software is that it is not very difficult. It is very easy. Keyframe is the best option. You can use all these features. GIF you can include. You can do all types of changes using this software, and after doing that you can click on export, and there is no watermark. It is the best software I have ever used. Okay, you can see there's no watermark. So I hope now you will be able to use this software and do editing of your videos in your Android phone. And you can find the link of this video in the description of this video. And if you still face any problem while editing on this software, you can comment below in the comment section and I will give you prompt reply.